Oh gosh. This is gonna be fun. Holy. Man, some of these people just fly around here. Ooh, this is high. So, they were talking, and once we get to the American flag, we push these handles forward and we'll be flying. No, not yet. Ooh, it's high up here. Okay, we're almost up to the American flag. I see it. Oh wow, this is such a good view. Wait till I go down and all you guys will see the great view. But we were going through YouTube one time, and there's this person called Work Less, Enjoy Life More. Go check him out. We were looking at his page, and he had the gravity roller coaster on there. So that's what made us come here and do this trip. So I'm excited to come try it. Ready?
Have fun.
Thank you. Oh wow, this is fun. Okay. This thing can fly. Holy! Going for it. Okay. Okay. Woo! Holy! Holy! God. Woo! This thing's fast. We're going forward. Okay. Woo! Holy. That was fun. Okay. Thank you.
Where's the screen to the board?
Right there, Kenzie. Let's pull.
It's a lot easier if you drag it.
I'll just drag it?
Yeah, drag it with
Okay.
the left hand and I'll help you on. There
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, you got it.
please?
Huh? Okay.
Open the lane.
You guys can go. Sit back in like a chair.
Dad, you can't.
I know I can't. There's somebody in front of me.
You want to go or you want to wait for him? Go. Go.
Right, you can step up right between the group. Walk up a little further. Alright, now you're going to sit like a chair. Nice GoPro.
Huh?
I like the GoPro.
Thank you.
Where you can go.
Okay. This is fun. That was a lot of fun. Wow.
Yes, sir.
That was fast.
Oh my God, are you really complaining about me?
I am, and I came from Phoenix also.
Oh, look at them go. That was fast, Dad.
Yeah, that was fast but fun. Dad,
Did you see how fast I went?
I went flying and
Yeah, I don't see your hat anymore, Dad.
You blew up, girl.
I went and I was gone. Dad.
Can I wait for the rest of my family?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna push it. You guys can
Just hold on, Sean.
3, 2, 3, 1, go. All right, climb up there. Climb up there.
Kenzie, wait for the rest of us, okay?
Right between the doors. As soon as you guys get down, move right out of the way, all right?
Yes.
Can you push her?
Push her? Oh, her. Okay.
All
I
right.
can't push you. I think you can do it, though.
Ready? 3,
Wait,
2.
hold on. They need to get out of the way.
Okay.
Thank you. Audrey, right there, too.
Let's go. 3, 2,
2,
1, go.
You guys ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
I jumped! I didn't jump! That one's definitely the fastest. Dad, I kept on jumping on that one. It was boom, boom.
Do you have fun?